Working as an independent wildlife filmmaker is easier today thanks to the advances in available gear. Everything from the backpack to the equipment itself has been redesigned to fit the needs of filmmakers who work alone or in small production teams outdoors. In this video, we will try to introduce some of the items that you might consider if you are planning to work under these types of conditions. First thing I wanted to talk about was choosing a bag. Here in this case, I've chosen that are designed for camera equipment. For any other bag, if you're working from the top down, it's very difficult to gain access to your content. So you have to pull everything out of the bag to be able to get to your camera to maybe even change a battery. But in this case, the way these bags are designed is they open from the back. So you just simply zip them, you fold them down, and you can gain access to the internal compartments. And you can essentially self-design these because they're Velcro padded little sections. It's got a bottom that's reinforced, and they're designed to be able to carry additional equipment like tripods. So in this case, I've just got a digital SLR set up here with a Canon Mark III and a couple of lenses. And this one is a 70-200, which is really good for both for interviews as well as trying to reach out and get some good telephoto shots. I'll generally always have neutral density or a polarizing filter. Depending on what I'm working on, I may bring an external monitor along. These come in handy, particularly if you're not as mobile and you need to be able to get close enough to the screen to be able to see whether things are in focus or just to be able to have a better picture of what you're framing. A couple other things that I keep with me: modified magic arms. They're pretty lightweight. They're made out of PVC plastic. They come in handy for mounting things. Here I brought an extendable jib pole from a company called Light Pro Gear. They make these poles specifically designed for backpacking or lightweight applications, and they're designed for digital SLRs or small cameras. Jib poles can be great for extending your shot or introducing motion into your filmmaking. A couple other things that I'll have on my pack: this is a little bracket that allows you to actually clip your camera onto a strap or onto your belt, so these come in handy as well. Some of the things that I think are critical from when you're going out is always to have some type of cleaning kit or a swag bag. You know, something that has all of the essentials that you need to maintain your gear when you're out to keep yourself functioning. Pens, Sharpies, some grease pencils, things to mark different items with or take notes with, depending on the project that you're working on. You may be using a follow focus. Grease pencils can be really helpful for marking focus points. I'll also carry external media with me. These drives are pretty lightweight, they're relatively inexpensive, and you can get a few of these and do kind of an immediate backup. I generally always have a multi-tool with me. It allows me to fix problems in the field, as well as tighten base plates for cameras and tripods. So I always have additional media on me. In this case, I've just gotten a memory card case that's waterproof. It's better to have more media and be able to shoot what you want than it is to have to stop and delete information while you're in the field that you think isn't relevant. The advances made in gear available have been tremendous. Thanks to these new designs, now you can create higher quality films in the field.